Strictly forbidden foods for dogs. Here's a detailed breakdown of the most dangerous items. Chocolate contains theobromine and caffeine, which dogs cannot metabolize. Causes vomiting, diarrhea, seizures, and potentially death. Grapes and raisins. Even small amounts can trigger sudden kidney failure. Onions and garlic damage red blood cells, leading to anemia. Includes raw, cooked, powdered, or dehydrated forms. Alcohol, extremely toxic, can cause vomiting, coordination issues, coma, or death. Caffeine, found in coffee, tea, energy drinks, and sodas. Causes restlessness, rapid breathing, and heart palpitations. Avocado, contains persin, which can cause vomiting and diarrhea. Xylitol, a sugar substitute in gum, candy, and baked goods. Causes hypoglycemia and liver failure. Cooked bones splinter easily, leading to choking or internal injuries. Macadamia nuts cause weakness, tremors, and hyperthermia. Yeast dough expands in the stomach, causing bloating and alcohol poisoning. Salt-heavy foods, chips, cured meats, or salty snacks can cause dehydration and sodium poisoning. Sources: why these foods are dangerous. Dogs metabolize substances differently than humans. Their liver and kidneys cannot filter certain toxins, and their digestive system lacks enzymes to break down many compounds safely. What seems harmless to us can overwhelm their system quickly. Safe alternatives. Instead of sharing human food, stick to high-quality dog food, wet or dry. Occasional dog treats formulated for pets. Plain cooked meat, like chicken or turkey, no seasoning. Dog-safe fruits like apples, without seeds, or blueberries.